Do you want to give your videos a futuristic and digital vibe? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the face glitch effect in CapCut Mobile using the built-in video effects feature. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Body Effects. Go to the Superpower tab. Browse through the available effect categories and you can use the search bar to search for face glitch. Tap the effect to preview it on your video. The effect automatically applies a digital glitch animation to the detected face. If you're satisfied with the preview, tap the checkmark to apply the effect. Drag the left or right edge to shorten or extend the duration. And now play your video before exporting to ensure that the face glitch effect tracks smoothly and matches your edit. And that's how you add face glitch effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.